So I'm officially a girlfriend sa wakas. However, may kanya-kanya kaming buhay. Siya sa Amerika, ako dito sa Pilipinas. And here are the ways on how we build and maintain our long-distance relationship. Number one, quality communication over constant contact. Sa LDR, hindi ibig sabihin yan kailangan nyo mag-usap 24/7. No. Pwede pa ngang makasama yan because instead of being each other's inspirations, you could be each other's distractions. Although, naiintindihan ko naman na because of the distance, pwede tayong maging anxious or magkaroon ng assumptions na negatibo. Diyan na nga papasok si quality communication. Like when I need reassurance from him, sasabihin ko talaga na, babe, I need you to reassure me that you love me. Ganon din naman sa akin kapag may nasabi ako na hindi niya nagustuhan or meron siyang pinagsilosan, he's free to address it and I would correct it or reassure him as well. Ang nangyayari pa nga sa amin since magkaiba yung time zones, humahanap talaga kami ng oras kung saan convenient para sa aming dalawa to really regroup and really communicate. Sabihin talaga what bothers us. And trust me, mas okay yung ganito because it focuses on goals like really understanding each other, being emotionally safe with each other, and resolving arguments. Number two, keep your own life. Please lang. When you're in love, normal lang to want to make them your entire world. Trust me, napagdaanan ko rin yan. But the truth is, building and maintaining your own life, it protects your identity, keeps your self-worth, and prevents emotional dependability, resulting to keeping the attraction alive. I mean, ang sweet kaya nun, yung alam nyong busy kayo pareho, and yet you still find the time to intentionally choose to see each other. Number three, kahit anong mangyari, kailangan nyo pa rin ng plano, mga be. Alam kong nakakakilig yung mga video calls, yung mga good night and good morning texts, ganyan. Pero kahit na anong kilig, pwedeng mag-fade yan if there is no direction. So pag-usapan nyo yung mga plano nyo. Kung kailan kayo ulit magkikita, kung sinong pwede at papayag na mag-relocate, at kung hanggang saan at hanggang kailan lang ba tong long distance na to. Para 'di ba, alam yung meron kayong goal at meron kayong patutunguhan. Tandaan, ang love na walang plano, that's only a fantasy. Pero ang love na may plano, yan ang commitment. Number four, ito medyo challenging but trust is a decision. Sa LDR, wala kang full control. Like, hindi mo na nakikita kung anong ginagawa niya, hindi mo nababasa yung body language niya. Kaya naman tiwala. Tiwala talaga ang magiging kakampi mo and it becomes a daily decision na kailangan mong piliin yun. Because trust is not blindness, actually it is confidence. Confidence on someone and how he treats you consistently. Like if they've shown you effort, honesty, tapos wala naman siyang pinapakitang masama o kaduda-duda, then honor that. Trust him, trust yourself, and most of all, trust your relationship. Mm?